Last time with Long Ranger.
Too bad, huh?
No complaints yet.
On the road down from Antero. Sadly, we have lost Drew Bob. Come what may. So I'm at the backside of Princeton. I'm not sure if I'm going to do the Princeton traverse today because I don't want to be on top of that ridgeline when it's this cold. So I'm just going to set myself up for tomorrow. Probably catch the sunrise on the summit of Princeton. And that'll be really pretty. Got down Princeton. I'm on the Colorado Trail. That was tough. That was tough, man. So cold up there. All my water froze. I couldn't believe it. Then I took a really terrible way down. This huge buttress. That was bad. I saw the way I wanted to go down. I was like, that looks great, but it's over there. I'm not going back up. So now I get to walk the Colorado Trail for miles and miles and get ready for Yale. Hopefully my legs will be feeling good. Wish I had tunes. It's been hard just talking to myself. Woo! East Ridge of Yale. Man, what a day. It started out freezing and now freaking so hot. My descent path, the Horn Fork Basin. There's Harvard and Columbia up next on deck, as they say. Why do I do these things? Legs are tired. I'm tired. But I can keep going just slower, and that's fine. I slept there one time. Oh, that was miserable sleeping though. Alright, here it is. Still at Yale. Kinda can't believe I could do it. I am very tired and this weather is just crazy. Do not do well in the heat. Better than Princeton when I was freezing my ass off. Quite literally, every stitch of clothing. Yale, yeah. Can't believe my lungs are okay, you know? They're like a little congested, and I can feel that I'm 14,000 feet, and I'm not acclimated, but like, I don't have to stop at 10 seconds every 10 steps, so that's what's keeping me going. Legs are tired, but legs have been here before. I've been here before, so I'm psyched. All right, here's the ridge we have to go down Yale. It's not so bad until it gets bad. It's got the Avalanche Chute that I don't know another option for. So unless I get a stroke of brilliance, that's what I got to do. All right, I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna drink. Stay on top of my calories. Send some messages out and drop down into the Horn Fork Basin. I can't believe it. If I make it this far, I bettered the last time I tried Nolan's for real. This is exciting. I'm excited. I'm really proud of myself. I'm in some clouds. Something tells me tomorrow's gonna be snowy. At least the temperature will be low. Alright, that's my slope. Down there is the Avalanche Gully. It's a lot of snow. I don't know if it's going to be friendly, helpful snow or snow that gets in my way. I think I can eke out Columbia today and then just do Harvard tomorrow or something. I'm not sure. Feeling pretty psyched. The stoke is high. The stoke is high. So we're in the Avalanche Gully off Yale. And as you can see, it's just chock full of snow. And the snow has been sitting here all day, melting. So like, it's a little crazy. Like, let's see what we can do here. Kind of post hole through. I think we're gonna be able to do it. What's gonna happen is like I'll be able to like just plunge step a little, and then I'll like hit a tree well or something. But this is a big but. Whew. Let's do this here. But I mean, if this holds through for the entire gully, we might actually have a really good free ride down. This is usually like my least favorite part of the entire route. Alright, I think I just got lucky. I don't hit this tree. Oh. Just don't want to like plunge all the way down to my knee and overextend my knee, you know? Alright, good times. I'm eating both poles. Oh, some garbage snow if I've ever seen it. I'm kind of thankful for the garbage snow. Also, man, looks like the Horn Fork Basin is completely swamped in snow. And I don't want to like post hole through the trail, so I'm going to take the South Ridge up Columbia. That'd be good. That'll be my nighttime sojourn. Hopefully it's not windy. It doesn't look windy right now. And who knows what the other side is for the traverse to Harvard. I'm really guessing it's gonna be terrible. But if I just kind of hang on the other side and wait for the snow to set, I might actually again get like a free ride over all the talus that I really hate. So we'll see. All right. Come down the Avalanche Gully. No worse for wear. No worse for wear. So as you can hear, there's a raging creek right there. I don't know how I'm gonna cross it. Looks cold. Let's take a walk. See if we can't find a log to go across, like we're in the Jungle Book. For bare necessities, listen, bare necessities. Big about your worries or your strife. I need a bare necessities, the simple necessities, just the bare necessities of life. Whoa! Alright, did it. Oh my god, this place is such a mess. Alright, one more. Whew. Oh my god. The dozens and the bees making honey just like me. Ow. Alright. Get out of here. Oh, not that you can tell. I'm out Columbia. It's about 11 o'clock. We did it. And what's more is there's a full moon today. Full moon and a lunar eclipse. Pretty special to be on top of a mountain during those two things. Okay, gotta go figure out some place to sleep. I don't know what I'm doing for that. Forgot about that problem. One shiver bivvy coming right up.